What's the meaning of clitic? Clitic. Clitic.
Clitic. Clitic. A clitic is a type of word that behaves like a bound morpheme in a sentence. It is pronounced as part of the word it attaches to and doesn't receive stress or intonation of its own. Clitics may attach to verbs, nouns, adjectives, or other clitics, and are generally unstressed. They can indicate meaning such as tense, aspect, or case and can also be used for emphasis or to convey certain nuances in speech. Overall, clitics are an important aspect of many languages and understanding their usage can help improve one's language proficiency.